Ciao a tutti ragazzi and welcome to this new video of Dr. Cocktail. Today we're going to make an aviation. First thing first, I'm gonna show you how to make an aviation at home with very affordable ingredients. Secondly, we're gonna make the best aviation you can get in a bar. And last but not least, we're going to make an aviation with honey and actual violet gin. So if you guys ready, let's get started. The aviation was created by Huge Enslinn, the head bartender at the hotel Wallick in New York. It is a delicious sweet and sour cocktail made with gin, maraschino liqueur, crème de violette and lemon juice. These are some of the cheapest, good quality gin obviously, that you can get from basically every store. Here in Italy it is quite easy to find maraschino cherries. And for this one cocktail I selected the most affordable ones, but I also wanted to use the liquid that comes with a jar. Why? Well, because I paid for it. Grab and cut a lemon and get ready to squeeze 25 milliliters. Okay, I don't want to waste these 3 drops. Let's give it a try. It is a bit more sour than expected. Let's balance it back with a half teaspoon of sugar. Vabbè, after this video I will go to run a little bit. Crème de violette, 10 milliliters. Crème de violette has a very strong flavor. 10-50 milliliters, that is the max that I normally put in drinks. We don't want to overpower this flavor because otherwise we're gonna lose the balance. Let's shake the cocktail and we're going to strain and double strain it in a cupette. It is always better if your glasses are from the freezer. Let's garnish it with a cherry. And then you have it, a very affordable but delicious aviation. The aviation was created in the early 20th century. Martinis became one of the most used glasses for all cocktails. And actually, this cocktail is supposed to be served on a martini without ice. But in the years, bartenders found thousands of different ways to improve the customer's experience. And one of the best things that ever happened to the cocktail making world is clear ice. Get a lemon, and one more time we're going to cut it and squeeze 25 milliliters. Let's push our budget a little bit further and let's use some premium quality gin. Maraschino e non maraschino liqueur 15 ml. Hopla. Crème de violette 10 ml. Like professional bartenders do, try your product before to deliver it to customers. Add another big piece of ice. Chill your shaker as much as possible. And let's start shaking our beautiful aviation. I'm already feeling thirsty. Strain, double strain, and... Ma che cavolo... Oops! I didn't expect that to happen. Okay, let's fix this little blockage. Ecco fatto! Let's complement our cocktail with a beautiful garnish. The cocktail business card basically. And to show you how much I love you guys for following me on Instagram, I will use a cocktail stick with a little heart. For the aviation twist, I was going to get some flowers that are meant to be infused in alcohol and will give it a nice violet color. Well, yeah, the company did a mistake and they sent me something completely different, so I ended up with the blue cornflowers petals. But for the sake of mixology, we are going to use them anyway and see what is going to happen. Are you a little bit curious? Me too. And yeah, I think that's enough. Add some ice to your shaker and let's get started. 50 ml of blue gin, followed by 10 ml of crème violet. Let's get 1 healthy teaspoon of honey, and if you prefer you could make a syrup with it just to speed up the pouring process. While the honey is dissolving, we can work on the presentation, so let's get some raspberries from the dehydrator, and we are going to blend them and make a red dust. Squisito. glass from the freezer, and now we're going to paint a little bit of honey on it. Place some raspberry dust on the sticky sides of the glass and on the bottom. Lemon juice 25 ml, grazie. 1 egg white cracked like a real Italian chef. Shake, shake, shake. Discard the ice and shake one more time for a foamy texture. Let's finish off the job with a good sprinkle of red dust on the top. And then you have it, a green aviation made with blue gin. And then you have it, guys, the 3 aviation cocktails, home, bar, and a little twist of mine. On this one, I gotta say that the classic, in my opinion, is the best one. It's just a better balance. In the home version, I really miss Luxardo. I'm Italian, I love Luxardo. The classic one, very well balanced. Violet, not too much, not too little. And the twist, what I wanted to try is to give a floral note to the cocktail, but I personally think the egg white, honey, raspberry, it's a kind of flavors. I would prefer to get a little bit less and a little bit more of these. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please smash the like button and obviously let me know which one was your favorite. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. And with that being said, guys, I shall see you next week with a new video. Ciao ciao from Italy!